Arnica montana is maybe the most famous and widely used homeopathic remedy, with excellent quality scientific study proving for its effect. It is a homeopathic remedy prepared starting from mountain arnica plant or leopard's bane. Its homeopathic dilution is known as a rapid and most efficient help one can get for conditions produced by injuries with a blunt instrument, falls, blows, contusions, fractures, and concussions. Arnica homeopathic format helps in painful bruising without skin lacerations, in hematomas, accumulations of blood under the intact skin, or in the internal organs. Once, I have been declared a witch after prescribing Arnica montana to a man who fell from a high staircase. He was in the emergency room, had tunnel vision, confusion, and a certain form of paralysis. I have not seen him. I prescribed via the phone. He seemed a helpless case, destined to never walk again. One single dose of Arnica montana 200C, and he regained his clarity, normal vision, and left the hospital walking on his feet after 2 hours. My homeopathic teacher saved an almost dead rooster with a pill of Arnica. My mother regained fully her mental acuity when given this remedy 1 year after a brain concussion, a fall and right arm fracture that seemed to precipitate a development towards dementia. This is a fracture of a metacarpian bone after a fall 2 weeks ago. I use Arnica montana both internally under the form of pills and external applications as cream. I have only a 30C potency in my collection now, but for such incidents it is best to use a 200 or even a 1000 potency. My partner had Arnica flowers in his fridge, so he kindly prepared the Arnica cream. Homemade, in the house. I'm really grateful. I highly recommend everyone to have Arnica in a 200C format, in homeopathic format, in their first aid kit, and also maybe travel with Arnica cream or oil, especially when traveling for sporting or hiking or being exposed to possible bruises or accidents. Even years after a contusion or a concussion, an accumulated hematoma can be restored with the help of this remedy. You might want to remember its self-help application after bruising or concussion of the head, most important, even if the MRI shows no hematoma. Remember though the typical symptoms calling for Arnica montana: painful bruising, sore, bruised, general feeling, blueness of skin, hematomas. Also after sprains, strains, confusion, or tooth fillings. Often I am asked if to take Arnica preventatively before the tooth extraction or dental treatments. The answer is a big no. Take the remedy after the treatment if there are the symptoms calling for it: bruising, blueness, hematomas, and pain. The physical trauma after such injuries can make one highly sensitive to touch, avoiding hugs or sexual intimacy. If you feel compelled to suddenly change your pillow because it feels too hard, or start avoiding hugs and physical intimacy, consider the possibility of a traumatic memory post physical injury and inquire about help that you can get from taking a high-potency Arnica montana in homeopathic format. I hope this video helps you well, and if you need more details about this, contact me or search for my other YouTube videos about homeopathy. May you be well, may you be healthy, and may you be happy.